This tablet is a multivitamin product that helps with vitamin deficiency caused by poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are important for the body and help keep you healthy. Make sure to chew the Centrum Silver tablet thoroughly and swallow it, usually once a day or as directed. Follow the directions on the package or as directed by your doctor. Do not take more than the recommended dosage. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Side effects like constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach may happen when you start taking Centrum Silver tablet, chewable. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist right away. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it means they have decided that the benefits to you are greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If the multivitamin you are taking contains iron, it's crucial to store it in a safe place away from kids. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a top cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6. If overdose happens, seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Before taking Centrum Silver tablet, chewable, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to its ingredients, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. Be sure to also inform them about your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol use, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, it's important to discuss with your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating this anemia, which could lead to serious nerve problems. Additionally, if you have phenylketonuria or any other condition that requires you to restrict your intake of aspartame, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. Before undergoing surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. Keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Avoid taking this product at the same time as certain medications like antacids, thyroid medications, or some antibiotics. Also, be sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. This medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so make sure your healthcare providers are aware that you use this drug. If someone takes too much Centrum Silver tablet, chewable and has serious symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911. Otherwise, call a poison control center immediately. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Remember to attend all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that Centrum Silver tablet, chewable is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. Make sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given by your doctor. If you forget to take your Centrum Silver tablet, chewable at the scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at the regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Keep Centrum Silver Tablet, chewable at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Remember not to flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed. When it expires or is no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. For guidance on the best way to dispose of it, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.